up, we gotta move. Ballin', every city we gon' to. The Brown Experience, the Brown Experience for you. The Browns, yeah. All I need is a couple rounds, yeah, to get this party started. Brown Experience, oh, I need a couple rounds right now. Yeah, yeah, the Brown Experience, the Brown Experience, oh, city to city. We should've done the Brown Experience, the Brown Experience for you. Yeah.
What's up, TBE? TBE, what's up, man? Up early in the morning. It's that time of year. Christmas time is here, and this is something that we do every year. We cut down our own tree, different colors, at Wyckoff Tree Farm, or whatever the name of it is. It's in Pennsylvania, and I'm in New York. As you can see, it's raining outside. It's raining in New York. It's bad as usual. New York is always bad, but you know, we do the best that we can with the weather and the conditions. We still go out and do what we gotta do and get our trees. And alright, well, you'll see how we gotta cut down our own trees and everything. Like I said, we're in New York, bad weather as usual. Can't wait to get back to LA. Can't wait to get back to LA, for real. But anyway, I'm gonna see you there, and yeah, it's gonna be an adventure. Just follow us, all right? Follow me. Oh yeah, don't forget, like and subscribe. If you haven't liked and subscribed already, like and subscribe. All right, TBE, we out. 4 cars deep. Let's go see the 4 cars.
Hey, Uncle Charlie.
Hello. Oh, what's up?
Say hi, y'all.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi. What's up, man? Where you been? I've been looking all over for you.
Why are you looking like that? Wave hi. Say hi.
He got the same shoes as Pop got.
Yes.
We don't have the same shoes, but his is red.
Yeah. What's going on? Everybody ready for this tree cutting ceremony?
Really excited. I'm ready.
Yeah, me too. As you can see, there's another car.
What's up? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Cause we getting these trees today, right in a little while.
You ready to cut down this tree?
Yep.
Look
He
at
ready.
his face.
He
Look
ready.
at his-
Looking stupid.
Look at his stupid face. Let's get Shanae. Shanae, she not looking, but she's on camera.
Hey, who am I talking to?
Huh? You talking to the people?
Hi, peoples. Excuse the scarf. It's raining out here. Black girls don't get their hair wet.
Man.
Not unless it's, you
And
know.
that's the man with the beard right there and the mustache. He getting old on me.
The man at snack. He a chocolate snack too.
Oh yeah? Them girls be all over you?
Oh my goodness.
He got all the girls now.
Yeah, man.
That's alright, leave him alone. They ain't no good. What's that?
It's a parachute.
Huh?
A parachute. You know what it is. You lay beside one every night.
Nah, that joint don't look like that. Look like a wormhole.
A wormhole. Get out of here. Y'all too weak to be sick.
This guy.
Right now.
We got it. That's ready to cut down a tree look right there. Yeah, you're gonna be right underneath that tree, cutting it down.
With the dirty gloves.
Wait, I don't even have gloves.
Y'all better share them.
I know, I'm about to go get me some right now, right as we speak. All right, it's trees time.
Tree time.
Hi. I'm
CJ,
sick.
what color tree we want? And why you gotta see? That's because you don't have your coat buttoned up. You just got it all open. You got your
No, this is. I was
you
sick
got your
earlier.
chest. You got the chest, the hairs on your chest showing, all of that stuff.
Talking
CJ.
about.
That's the problem.
Excuse that. Okay, but
You have to button it up.
apparently we're going. What up?
Zip your coat up. Like me, look at my coat. I'm zipped all the way up. Mine, this way, I'm warm. I see these trees.
What do you mean?
Which way you want?
It looks like a tree. It's a tree.
I like this one or this one. Which one?
Oh, ain't it?
Miss D, what's this for? To lay on?
Which tree you trying to get?
This one or this one?
Why you gotta get a big old tree?
This one.
Celeste, you say get that one?
Yeah.
You say get that one?
I like this one. Okay, you gotta look around the whole tree. Like make sure there's no holes in it. Yeah. Make sure the color is on it, because remember it'll start to fade.
Look on the inside.
I found that's the best I found. She's your daughter's standing by money. Show me. But we need a cutter and everything.
Oh, your sister went up to get it?
No, she's standing at the tree.
Okay, I'll go get this done.
Cool. You got your tree? We got to get the soul.
The pink, right?
That's too small.
Uncle Charlie.
We need a bigger tree.
Hey, this one is bigger.
What tree you like? What tree you want?
I like that.
She was at this tree.
The big fat tree, right?
No, I was at that tree.
We want the biggest tree. That's the biggest tree. Get that one.
That one's small.
You getting
At
red?
that tree right there.
Y'all getting red this year?
Yeah, I'm gonna do red.
She was at this tree.
This shit, 'cause I know.
Raylan said she wants that tree. I said
We was not. We was right there.
Mommy,
Stop,
y'all
right
was
here.
right
It was that
there.
one.
Mom, yes, I
It was that one. They supposed to which one the better. I said which one.
We getting a pink tree.
Because I remember this tree was like.
All right.
Ornaments that color and silver and white.
That's what I need. So I was gonna do red.
They're all in LA.
That's the one right there. She's cute, ain't she?
It's right there. We gotta share one. Cause
They don't
there's no
have-
wagon. You gotta like stand there and wait for somebody to put one up. By the time we do that, you cut and go. Y'all found the tree.
She knows talking about mom. She's not even gonna know that.
Yeah, she's not gonna know.
She is gonna. This is her first tree. All right, she gonna see the picture.
Where'd the auntie go?
That's right. She need a pretty tree.
Pretty tree.
A pretty tree.
What tree you got?
This one's well.
Yeah, I like that one.
Yep.
See?
Why that one?
Everybody likes this one.
Cause look, the top
they're
is
cutting
better in everything.
I just said that.
The top is better. That was all deformed and.
I just said the same thing.
You got the
I like the
Yeah.
top of it.
It's pretty.
It was between this one or this one.
Which one y'all getting? Who's y'all
I like the top of this one better. See, the
Everybody
tree
like
just
this
as tall as her.
Ready?
This one is nice too. But
Yeah, I
this one
said
is
that.
better.
But the color on that one isn't as
It's
nice.
always in the middle.
Here we
You know
go.
what though? You take
All
some
right,
white
Miss
spray,
Uh-huh.
spray the white spray on it, looking
When
like
you
snow
old, you got-
to cover up the little blotches, and it make it
Yeah,
look
here's
more
the
like
wagon.
we
Yeah,
did.
you can't even hit it. I can't even get. I can't even get underneath this
Go
thing.
ahead, Uncle Charlie, cut down that tree.
Oh Lord.
CJ, stand on that side so that when if the tree goes. put
Yes,
that
today
down.
you don't. It's gonna fall. You gonna have to catch it.
Yeah,
All
just
right.
let that go. Come on. Stand right on that. Nope, stand on that side. Right where you are. Just come a little closer this way.
All right, I think I got it.
That way.
All right. Oh Lord,
Well, why don't you grab the top
Cut it.
so that it don't just fall on you?
cut this stupid tree.
Come on, you
got it, Uncle Charlie.
No, I don't.
Go, Charlie, go! Go, Charlie, go!
Yeah, I'm not in shape like I used to.
What happened? You missed
See?
the end. It's hard this year. You missed last year.
CJ, you gotta cut this tree.
CJ, he not even paying attention.
be CJ. That's CJ,
That's CJ.
Come on, CJ. Come help me cut this tree.
Y'all switching?
Yeah,
What's going on? You ain't even make a dent.
I'm out of shape.
Let me see.
Come on, CJ. Come on then. Hit it on me. Get on it. Yeah. Hit it. Hit it.
I think it's going. It's going. Get that tree. What is happening?
Move over, Papa.
I'm old.
Uncle Charlie, come on.
This thing hard.
You got this.
Please.
Almost got it.
Yes, keep going.
You're not even paying attention. Not even paying attention. No, you just like,
Oh Lord.
It looked like you halfway there.
you got a little pink. Come on, cut this down for your grandbaby. Want to switch that? Wait, wait. Come on, baby. That's about to go in your eye.
CJ, you ready to cut?
Your cornea about to be cut out.
All right, man. Come in the face.
Yo, mommy, it's halfway through.
I know, Uncle Charlie doing a great job.
Get him. Get this stupid tree. Come on, but like it's
Yeah, that's all you gotta think about. You doing it for your first grandbaby. Come on.
Woo! Come on, grandbaby.
All right, the tree is going full.
CJ, go on the other side so you can catch it, baby.
On this side, man. Come right here, CJ.
Look at CJ's face.
He over it.
I'm working really hard.
All right,
Aiden, move out the way. Go stand by Auntie Toya.
it's about to come down. Come on. It's gonna come down on somebody's head.
What's wrong with your face? What's wrong with your face?
Grandbaby.
Grandbaby.
See, and you talking about she not gonna know. She gonna see these videos.
Yeah, these gonna be on the internet.
Hold it, CJ.
Timber.
Grandbaby.
You guys still gotta work right here.
Oh. All right.
Yay!
You okay?
You cut Legacy's first tree. Look at you, Uncle Charlie.
I need some oxygen.
You need my inhaler?
Yeah, he just cut it.
It's all messed up.
Press my jacket.
Is he told you to lay on this?
He was struggling. He got it though. He good.
It was a struggle.
Okay, I believe in you. I knew you could do it.
It was a struggle, but I got it.
He gave you plastic to lay on.
When you lay on the plastic, you don't really get the grip.
You got to get in the groove. Yeah.
That plastic make you hot on your back. All right.
Now we gotta lift it up.
You were told like you needed a plastic bag. What happened?
I don't like that.
Experience for you.
I love you, Grandpa.